Good morning, students. Today we are going to do chapter number 8, and this is a poem and having the name The Recycling Rap. This poem is written by Joan Foster, and in this poem, the poet has described about the process of recycling and the need of recycling the things. The poet has described in the poem that why do we need the recycling of the things so that we can manage or we can protect our environment and we can protect our planet Earth. So let's have a look at the poem. Listen to me, children. Hear what I say. The poet is saying, listen to me. Poet is referring to the children that listen to me carefully, whatever I will say. We have got to start recycling. It's the only way to save this planet for future generations. The name of the game is reclamation, reclamation or reclamation. The poet is saying that we have to start recycling. What is recycling? Recycling is the process of putting the used objects into a process so that they can be used again. Recycling means जो हमने objects को use कर लिया उनको ऐसे process से go through करवाना जिस process के accordingly वो दोबारा से useful बन जाए और हम उनको use कर सकें. It is the only way so that we can save. It is the only way with the help of which we can save our future generations. What is a generation? Generation is a group of people that are born and that are living during the same period. And the name of the game is reclamation. Reclamation is the process of taking something back. That means what you have used, we can take it again. That means one thing that is not well, जो चीज खराब हो गया उसको दोबारा से सही करना, उसको दोबारा से लेना, that is reclamation. You have got to start recycling. You know it makes sense. Means that you have to start recycling the products because it makes sense. It is very useful. You have got to start recycling. Stop sitting on the fence. You have to start recycling. Stop sitting on the edge. That means you have to stop destroying the things and stop destroying the environment. Stop sitting on the edge of anything, because if you will keep on doing the same things, if you will keep on destroying the environment, that is not good for you. So you have to start recycling. No more pussyfooting, no more claptrap. Pussyfooting means to avoid making any decision that is due to a fear or doubt. Now do not have a fear or doubt of starting anything like recycling. And no more claptrap means no more stupid ideas or no more stupid words. Get yourself doing the cycling rap. You have to start the recycling process. Come on and start recycling. Start it today. Come on, come in front and start the recycling process by today itself. Don't neglect the decision. Don't do the wrong things. Start your work of recycling by today itself. By saving newspapers, old newspapers, not throwing them away. How can you start recycling? You can start recycling today by saving the old newspapers. The newspapers that comes to your home, you can save them when they get old. When you have read that newspaper, you can save the newspaper. How can you save the newspaper? You should not throw them away. Don't throw it away. You can save it. Don't just take them and dump them on the tip. Don't take them anywhere and don't leave them. Dump means leaving something without any concern. Don't leave them anywhere. For example, what you all do, all of you, as you all know that what you do, you take a paper from the notebook and you throw it in the dustbin, or you throw it anywhere in the classroom. You don't have any concern about that, what will happen to the paper. Similarly, for the newspaper, just don't take the newspaper away and don't dump it anywhere. Tie them in a bundle, make a bundle of all the newspaper or the papers and put them in the skip and take them to the recycling part. Get collecting. Protecting the futures up to you. Collect all the papers in the newspaper because you have to protect the future. If you collect and if you take the papers for the recycling, you will protect the future, and it depends upon you how will you save and how will you protect the future. Save all your old glass bottles and your jam jars too. Now, previously he was talking about the newspapers and the old papers, and now he is talking about the glass bottles that are used, that are old, and the jam jars that are empty. Now he's saying you have to save your old glass bottles as well as your jam jars. What you need to do is you just need to take these bottles to the bottle bank, or then after the bottle bank, then you can take them to a factory where they can be recycled and they can save the energy. So in the previous two paragraphs, the poet has told us that we should not throw the papers, we should make a pile of them and we should recycle them. And secondly, the glass wastage, for the glass wastage, he is saying that we have to collect our glass bottles and jam jars and we have to take them to the bottle bank for the recycling process. Don't chunk away that empty drink can. Chunk away means throw away. Now he is saying about the third thing, that is the empty can. He is saying that don't throw the empty drink can. Empty drink can here means the cans of cold drink or juices. He is saying that don't throw the empty cans. Remember what I said, start recycling man. He is saying, remember whatever I have said, that I have said to start recycling. I am already saying that you have to start recycling. Remember my words and don't throw anything anywhere. Start recycling. Wash it, squash it, squeeze it, flat and thin. What you need to do is you have to take the empty drink can, you have to wash it and then you have to squash it. Then you need to squeeze it by hammering it or so, and then you have to make it flat and thin. मतलब वो मोटा होता है तो उसको हैमर करने के बाद उसको फ्लैट करके थिन करके what you need to do is you have to take it to save a can and post it in. Save a can here is a process of recycling of the empty things that are made of tin. So you have to take it to save a can and you have to post that tin can in it. Listen to me children, hear what I say. We have got to start recycling. It's the only way. He is again saying, listen to me carefully. Listen children, listen to me carefully. Here whatever I am saying, we have to start recycling process and it is the only way to save our future generations, to save the planet for living for our future generations. And the name of the game is reclamation, to take the things back. And you have to go to start recycling. You know it makes sense. You know the process of recycling is very useful and you have to start recycling. You have to stop sitting on the edge of anything. No more pussyfooting, no more claptrap, no more avoiding of the decisions, and no more of usage of stupid ideas related to that. You have to go for the recycling wrap. Here the poet has described, in the poem we have learned that the poet has described that we should not throw the waste material, anything, be it newspapers, be it trash cans or anything. What you need to do is you need not to throw it anywhere, rather you should recycle it. Why we need to recycle it? Because we can use the recycled products again. देखो उसमें क्या होगा, financially we could be strong. Economy could grow. How economy could grow? Because when we recycle the things, raw material is not used again. The used things that can be made new for the usage. So we should go for the recycling process. And secondly, by recycling, we can save our environment from being polluted. We can save our planet Earth and we can save it for the future generations. So students, from the poem we have learned that we should not throw any paper, especially as you are children, as you are students. What you do is you take the papers and you throw it anywhere. So by reading the poem, you have to take a lesson that you will not throw the papers anywhere in the ground or in the classroom or at your homes. What you will do, if you have torn any paper, what you will do is you will collect that papers, you will make a pile of them and you will take that paper for recycling process. I hope you will understand the poem properly and you have to make a promise that you will go for recycling process of the things. So this was the poem. Now let's have a look at the question answers. Think and answer. Two questions are given. You have to, as you have read the poem, you have understood the poem. What you have to do is you have to understand the question and you have to answer that. Think and answer. There are two questions given. According to your perception, according to your opinion, you have to answer the questions by understanding the questions well. So this was all about the poem. I hope you have understood the poem properly and clearly, and I hope you will start recycling the things after reading and understanding the poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.